Welcome back, friends. You're watching Worth Coins Info. Today we'll talk about the 1967 Roosevelt Dime. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary coin, but the story, the rarity, and the errors on this coin can make it worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Stay with me until the end of this video. The 1967 Roosevelt Dime is part of American history. It features President Franklin D. Roosevelt and belongs to the famous Roosevelt Dime series introduced after World War II. Millions of these coins were struck, but a few came out with rare minting errors that today make them treasures for collectors. Country: United States. Year: 1967. Obverse: President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Reverse: torch, olive branch, and oak branch. Metal: copper nickel clad. Weight: 2.27 grams. Diameter: 17.91 millimeters. Mint mark: none from 1965 to 1967. Mint marks were intentionally removed to discourage coin hoarding. A regular 1967 Roosevelt dime isn't rare, since hundreds of millions were minted. But the story changes when an error coin is discovered. Those minting mistakes make the dime rare, collectible, and sometimes extremely valuable. Error coins are the real treasures. Here are the most valuable error types for the 1967 dime. Double die error. Letters or design elements appear doubled. Off-center strike. Design is misaligned, often shifted to one side. Clipped planchet. Part of the coin is missing or clipped. Broad strike error. Coin struck without its collar, making it wider. Collectors pay big money for these errors. A normal circulated 1967 dime is worth just 10 cents. In uncirculated condition, MS65 grade, it may bring $5 to $10. In MS67 grade, it can reach $150 or more. Error coins are where the big money lies. Double die error: $300, $1,000. Off-center strike: 50% off-center, $500, $1,500. Clipped planchet: $200, $600. High-grade errors up to $3,000 or more. Part 6. Error coin price breakdown. 3 minutes. Regular 1967 dime, $0.10. MS65 grade, $5, $10. MS67 grade, $150 plus. Major errors: $500, $3,000. So, a dime you find in your pocket could actually turn out to be worth thousands if it has the right error. This is why coin hunting is so exciting. Never underestimate the change in your pocket. Old coins, especially error coins, can be hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Coin roll hunting and checking your change could literally lead to finding money worth hundreds of times its face value. If you find a valuable 1967 Roosevelt dime, here's where you can sell it. eBay, Heritage Auctions, GreatCollections, Stacks Bowers, Facebook coin collector groups. So friends, that's the story of the 1967 Roosevelt dime. Check your coins carefully, you might be holding a small treasure without even knowing it. You've been watching Worth Coins Info. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More rare coin values and stories are coming your way. Even a small dime can be a hidden treasure, you just need to recognize it.